Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Lamborghini Urus easy step-by-step, full guide. Start by sketching a long, low chassis and mark the wheelbase and roofline to set proportions for the SUV. Keep lines light while you block the profile, front fenders, and rear haunches. Establish window shapes and door placement next, then refine the hood, grille, and headlights with angular, sporty details to match the Urus character. Now focus on defining the Urus spine by carving angular surfaces and crisp creases. Use straight and slightly curved strokes to create the grille, headlights, and aerodynamic intakes. Work on wheel arches and rims next, adding depth with inner circle details and spokes. Shade lightly under the bumper and along the lower skirt to show shadow. Keep checking proportions and adjust the roofline and greenhouse until the silhouette looks balanced and dynamic. Finish the drawing by committing to shading and highlights to bring the Urus to life. Decide on a light source and shade panels accordingly, blending soft gradients across curved surfaces. Use sharp white highlights on windows, chrome, and paint edges to simulate reflections. Darken the inner rim areas, tires, and underside to anchor the car. Finally, clean stray sketch lines and enhance a few edges to make the design pop and look cohesive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.